So welcome back. So we're going to be looking at the easy file sharing server today within Pentester Academy. So haven't done anything yet, haven't looked at them yet. Pretty sure we're probably going to give them a interpreter shell. Go ahead and read the instructions here. It says a Kali GUI machine and a target machine running a vulnerable easy file sharing server are provided to you. Okay. The IP address of the target is provided in a text file named target placed on the desktop of the Kali machine. Okay, so that's the target machine, so that will most likely be our IP address. Your task is to fingerprint the application using the tools available on the Kali machine, then exploit the application using the appropriate Metasploit module. Objective: exploit the application and retrieve the flag. So it looks like we're looking for a server. Alright, so file sharing server, so I'm going to go with that. Could be maybe port 139.445, but that's not really a file sharing server. Port 80 could be a server for file sharing, depending on how they set it up. And really any other, we've seen me do buffer overflows on file sharing servers before, so anything like that. But usually it's port 80 because usually you're able to get to it from like the web or something like that, especially for organizations. So we're really looking at stuff like that. So your Kali machine has an interface with IP address 1010xy. Going okay. IP address. Do not attack the gateway located at .1 or 10.1. Okay. Go ahead and click on our lab link, like right here. It's probably going to be .2, whatever our IP address is, with a .2 at the end of it. But we shall see. Please wait. The lab is still being built. Ooh, okay. The lab is ready. Redirecting. Okay. Apex decided to not want to play anymore, I guess. Alright, so the target IP address could be 10.4.25.202. Alright, cool. And now, for this mic right here, since we're actually in this, like right here, so some of them you're able to, instead of just having a terminal, you're actually getting like a Kali Linux machine, which now you're able to like Control-Shift-C, Control-Shift-V, things like that. I figured that out a little bit earlier. So it's just like being on my own machine, just I'm not actually, obviously, do you guys see a Apex Legends thing up for some reason? The screen looks like you guys see like Apex Legends, and I don't see that. So let me go ahead and Control-Delete like real quick. Go to Task Manager. Give me 1 second. I don't know why Apex Legends is just like all up in your guys' grill on the screen, but it's not. That's really, really weird. Give me a second. Let me try to figure that out. That's super weird because that is not on my screen at all, but for some reason it's on your guys' screen. Let me try this. Whoa, if I get rid of window capture, that goes away. Whoa, but that's not a window on my screen. That's kind of crazy. Alright, cool. Alright, so we're going to leave it like that. So now let's take LA. I already forgot what the IP address was. We are 10.4.25.202. Let's go ahead and copy that. And we'll do a quick config for myself so I know what my IP address is. So 10.1, so it looks like we're probably going to be running, we'll try to do an mmap scan out, see if we can. Let me get this a little bit bigger for you guys. There you go. There we go. Alright, so we do have 139.445 up. Looks like remote desktop up. And some ports up here that I don't really know what they are, like it's 5985. Usually when they're this high up, this is just Windows crap or like an Amazon or like a cloud service, something like that. And we also have a port 80 up and running. So let's go ahead and open up another terminal. And we'll use what we have gathered here so far, right? So Control-Shift++. So we're going to do an mmap tac-sc, tac-sv. Try to figure out the versions, run some default scripts on port 80. 445, 3389, and also I'm going to also do a 5985. I don't know what that is. And that's going to be for that IP address, and we'll see what we come back with. Okay, we're going to have to do attack PN. It is definitely a Windows machine, seems like. And we can also go ahead and check out that port 80. Maybe we've already GoldBuster scanned it also. But let's go ahead and check out that port 80 also. See if it looks like a. I do not have a. Never mind. Oh, I mean, I have something down here. Maybe I can use that one. And we'll go ahead and check out port 80. See if we get anything. So it's saying that's filtered. That's kind of strange. And then saying that guy's open, but then say the rest of them was filtered, but it definitely was not filtered a minute ago. Let's just try just one at a time here. Port 80, and we'll just look at the version this time. Run it like that. This guy also is not opening up, so you know that's not really giving me much either. But it's definitely saying that port 80 is open. Let's go ahead and stop this mmap scan. Clear that out. Saying that's still filtered. That is very, very strange. Whoops. He's saying that it's open. So let's go ahead with that mmap scan stopped. Okay, so we got a Bad Blue Enterprise Edition. So it's definitely not filtered. It's definitely up and running. Okay, maybe it was just the two mmap scans going at the same time and it was giving it a problem. So this looks like, yeah, okay, so this is definitely some type of, definitely upload files. Now once we upload it, I'm wondering if we can run it. So I'm wondering if we could do like a PHP reverse shell. Something like that. I'm wondering if they even have, does locate even on here? No. Okay. We're going to have to look up a PHP reverse shell, bring it back into here. So first thing I want to do is actually search for Bad Blue. Let's try to do this the easy way. Search for Bad Blue. Ooh. Okay, we get some stuff back. What was my version here? 2.7. Okay, Bad Blue 2.7. We got a couple 2.7 vulnerabilities. Let's see here. We got a pass-through buffer overflow, Ruby shell, and we also have a remote buffer for 2.5. So Bad Blue. I wonder if we can run this one like right here and get an easy win with Metasploit, make our lives easy, and just do some script kiddie stuff. MSF console, attack Q. Let's see. See if we can do some script kiddie stuff like real quick. Get an easy win on this guy and run this Bad Blue pass-through buffer overflow. So let's go ahead and search for Bad Blue. And it's looking like we have a couple in here. Both exploits, pass-through buffer overflow and Bad Blue extension overflow. So I'm going to grab this buffer overflow one. So I'm going to use that guy. Exploit multi-windows, or exploit windows, excuse me. HTTP Bad Blue pass-through. Okay, show options. For our options, we have our host, a vhost, which we obviously don't have one. So looks like just our host. So set our host as 10.4.25.202, and then run. Well, that was an easy win. Okay, that was a really easy win. All right, let's go ahead and get UID. Okay, so I'm an administrator on here. Okay, can I do a get system? Can we do that? We can. Okay, get UID. So now we're NT system authority. Let's look at the processes that are running this guy and see, hey, what am I running on like right now? Try to migrate over to spool or something like that. So then we have a more, so let's go ahead and migrate to 1064 here. Migrate to 1064. 2636, yeah, I'll still run that at badblue.exe. So I want to run into something that, you know, could make me a little bit, you know, have a better chance of staying open, like spool. Okay, so we got there. Alright, and let's go ahead and, I guess, DIR, or what, where am I like right now? I probably should have did DIR, I probably should have did like a PWD or something like that. Probably need to go into desktop, right, for the administrator, I'll think. So CD and users. Nothing with flag in here yet. Let's CD to desktop. So I think this one does actually have a flag. As far as I know it does. Let's see here. Do we have a flag? Verify flags. Yeah, so we do have one flag. I'm obviously NT System Authority, so if I can't find anything, obviously look on here and see like where are these flags actually even at. Because I have NT System Authority. I guess we could always try to do it with PowerShell or something like that. Let's go ahead and CD that back. CD in the documents. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to see how to find a file. How to find a file in Windows 10 or with Windows command line. Find an open file using command prompt in Windows 10. Yep. Okay, so let's go ahead and we gotta try to find this file now. The command prompt like that, but replace the word search term with the file name or part of the name you remember. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a directory /s, huh? Let's go ahead and try that. So we'll do a directory for star flag.text star/s. That's supposed to be? Okay, cool. So we found something here. What is this? Is that it? Flag.text.link. It's in directory of C users administrator after that roaming marks out for Windows recent. Let's go ahead and copy that. Type /flag.text.link, I guess. Copy that. I don't know what that is, but okay. So let's go ahead and just look at this guy real quick. We'll see where's this flag reside at. Search boy. Oh, the same way that he did it. All right, cool. Good, good, good. I like to see that we do whenever we do things the same way that he does stuff. CD back in the home folder. Okay, so we just cool. Got it. So he's just doing it straight up. Just I guess it's like where they keep their flags at. CD back into there. dir. And then, okay, there's a flag.text. Type flag.text. And there we go. There's our flag. Okay, cool. That was fun. Easy. Like I said, this is something new that I've been trying, so, you know. Especially when you very first try stuff, like finding flags, things like that. It is a little bit of pain, especially if you've never done it before. But that was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and Laravel hosting control panel, abusing DAC override capability, system backdoor, Laravel security analysis tool, pivoting over Wi-Fi, Ubu, configure doctor. There's a lot of cool stuff on here. Kibana FTP log analysis. I mean, there's a lot of pretty cool stuff on here. Metasploit pivoting, post exploitation lab, interpreter basics. Vulnerable FTP server, which I think we just did the other day, didn't we? My son just made a weird noise. So, I think that would be it for, we'll say today. Okay, we'll do, that'll be it for today. And, yeah. And then, yeah, we'll, keep using this platform. Might be going back and forth between this platform. Let's try attacking FTP servers. Is that the one I did last time, or is it vulnerable FTP server? I don't remember which one I did last time. So let's try attacking FTP servers and see what we get. FTP server account on the internet. Okay, you'll be programming using a Jupyter notebook. We recommend going through the basics online. If you have never used them, I have never used them. When we start the lab question would be attacking FTP servers. Okay, so this is going to be hint 1. The Python library you can use to solve this challenge, ftplib, which comes pre-installed with Python. Okay, so this is going to be something that I've never utilized Jupyter notebook. So that would have to be something I would have to actually probably study up, things like that. Probably feel more comfortable if I did this one beforehand, like the last one we just did, you know. So yeah, that'll be it for today. Well, We'll do this one's another day. So you guys have a good one. Have fun. Hope you learned something. I definitely did. See you.